for one for the master, one for the lake, one for the little boy that lives down the lake. The mouse is running from the cat. The mouse is running from the cat. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Among Us. Now let's take this one. And draw Among Us. Among Us easy face. The color is just the black hand. And then let's draw the aroma. Now down and right down. I'm listening positive. And do it like this. Wait a minute, where are you? Now, before we close our mouth and put it away, let's do this. Picture. Now we gotta paint. Now we take 1 and 2. Put it like this. And now, open red. Put it here on a green red. And then paint this in Let's start. Yellow kid is not super good. Look at so cool. Come on, yellow. Come on, yellow. Let's rock it. You're not just a fire one. Yellow, you fire one. Okay, look at now, guys, look. Check it out. Guys, look. Okay, now let's paint orange. You know, if you play the Among Us games, there's actually the red one. The red one kills me so much. Yeah, kills me so much. I can't even stop dying. Guys, who's gonna like and subscribe to our video? Who's gonna like and subscribe to our video? Who's gonna like and subscribe to our video? Who's like and subscribe to our video? Who's like and subscribe to our video? Who's like and subscribe to our video? Bye guys, see you next time. See you next time. See you next time. Bye.